In reading, we mainly deal with the reading comprehension. When we say reading comprehension, questions can be broadly divided into 4 categories depending upon the level of comprehension. Those 4 categories are factual, inferential or interpretative, third, critical or judgmental, fourth, predictive. Let us take one by one. See the passage. Here is a passage. We see stars in the sky at night, but we see one star in the daytime, the sun. Did you know that the sun is a star? The sun shines during the day and we don't see the other stars at night. The sun's light goes away, then we see the other stars. This is a passage. For this, we have factual questions. Factual questions means related to the facts as stated in the text. Most of our questions are factual questions. We can get the answer direct. As in this passage, the factual questions are written here. When does the sun shine? The answer you can get direct here. When do we see these stars? Again, which star we see in the daytime? So all these are example of factual question. Most of our questions are factual. Second, we come inferential or interpretative. Question on facts not stated directly in the passage but inferred or interpreted. The question here is, where does the sun go at night? Now here, the cognitive aspect starts. The children will start thinking, reasoning. So we should have such type of questions also. Second one is, why does the moon not shine like the sun? Again, we will get different types of answers here according to the interpretation and inferred by our learners. So we should include such type of questions also in passage where we are teaching. Not only English, anything we are teaching, we should have inferential and interpretative question. But most of the questions are factual. Now come to the third type, critical or judgmental. Questions asking for reader's reaction to the character events stated in the passage. With this passage, you see the question is, why does the sun sets in the west but rises in the east? Again, there will be critical thinking here, then only the student can answer it. It is not directly in the passage, but the prior knowledge of the students or the learners, they can give the answer of this question. So we should have critical questions also. And the fourth one is predictive. Questions asking about what is likely to happen, especially at next stage of the story. We have sometimes abrupt ending of something and we leave it to the readers to know, to think what can happen afterwards. Here also we have one question that says, what will happen if there is no sun in the sky? This is totally imaginative. We will get many answers for such type of questions. So whenever we have comprehension, reading comprehension, we should include all the 4 types of questions. Next we come, after level of comprehension, we come areas of comprehension. When we say areas, there are 2. Global and local. Global means ask for overall understanding of the given passage. Here you won't get the answer at one point, but you have to search answer at 2 or 3 points, or you have to read whole passage, then only you can give the answer. Second one is local, ask for a specific detail. Here we have the answer at one point, pinpoint answer. Third we come to types of questions. Different types of questions are there. So in reading comprehension, we should include different types of questions. First one is WH questions, where the question starts with WH word, what, when, where, how, all these things. Second is yes no questions, where we get the answer with yes no when the question starts with an auxiliary. Third one is multiple choice question. We have given the 4 options and we have to tick one option, that is multiple choice. Then we have completion question, fill in the blank or one word answer, that can all come under this completion question. Then next one is matching question. Matching questions are match column A with column B or column 1 with column 2. This type of questions are called matching questions. And the last one is true or false or right wrong questions. So this is all about reading comprehension. Thank you.